Every day, when we all carry out our lives, many of us get so consumed in ourselves that we miss what's happening around us. It becomes so seamless that never do we wonder about these things. This is why we would like to bring your attention to the things right in front of us, but it has become hard to notice. A simple task like going to the grocery may be challenging for people with disabilities such as blindness or deafness. Like us, they can have anxiety or stress to ask for help for everyday tasks like bathing, attending school, working a job, finding transport, or visiting a clinic. Some of us do offer help, but many do not. This is why many disabled people live in isolation, segregation, and poverty, because a significant portion of society ignores them. This has resulted in building a world that is much far away than accessible. The world that we live in today, when in reality, we all should be able to receive the gifts the world has to offer. All the things around must be more accessible. Here, if we look at the problems and statistics of people with vision and hearing impairment alone, the findings are appalling. For people with sight disabilities, the most common difficulty experienced by them is participating in leisure activities or accessing transport. The second most common difficulty is going outside the home alone or visiting the doctor. These results are identical for deaf and hard of hearing people. Other difficulties that they come across are unemployment, depression, accessibility to information, buildings, and healthcare. Studies show that if the current trend follows, 1 in 10 people will suffer from hearing loss and 1 in 84 people will have complete vision impairment by 2050. Currently, 430 million people suffer from hearing loss and 2.2 billion people from sight disabilities. Last year, when the entire world stayed at home to work, people with such disabilities faced more problems as their only means of meeting was virtual. Face masks also pose a problem for the deaf community. This leads us to create an adept, accessible, and adaptable solution to help the deaf and blind to become conscious of their surroundings. And hence, our concept solution, the Conscious Glasses. These glasses can help the blind and deaf community to navigate, converse, and interact with ease. It has 6 ports, each for a primary accessibility purpose. Like here, the microphone hears voice and displays as text on lens. It can send you alert and haptic feedback for specific sounds. It will be able to convert text to speech for the blind. It can also help in object detection and facial recognition through computer vision. Just like the Conscious Glasses, its mobile app is also voice activated. The app can be used for configuration, managing health reports, deciding what to share, and looking out for family members. To view more information on the Conscious Glasses, we have hosted a website that summarizes all its features. You can find link for website in resources. Now let's talk about the future plan, because no project is complete without it. So what can we improve in our glasses that makes them stand out from the rest? First, for both the communities, we have to implement fall or accident detection that will alert the nearest authorities for help. Next, for blind people, as they rely on voice, we need to improve the voice assistant algorithm and make it more personalized according to the person. Moving on, our product uses cutting-edge technologies in terms of AI, but still, we need to work on it to make it more unbiased and user-friendly, and plan on the data privacy part as well. The next promising feature we are planning to implement is getting the latest news updates and weather forecasting on their glasses in both speech and text format. Furthermore, specifically for the deaf, as they rely on text, we need to add more audio classifications used in daily life like microwave sound, rain sound, and many more. Finally, as this is just a prototype, we need to work on the outer look of the glasses to make it more stylish and compact. So, now, where do we go from here? We need to bring change around us. We need to create solutions that are accessible to all. Awareness raising, sensitization, and education are thus required. We have to use the technology at hand to build products that help people with disabilities to live their lives the way they want.